Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need a Cash App card right now? Here's to activate and use your virtual card in just a minute. No waiting by mailbox. So before we begin, here's what you'll need. A Cash App install and login. Second, a verified Cash App account. Then, an active cash card, virtuals or physical. Then, lastly, internet connections or access. So step to access and use the virtual card. For that, open your Cash App. Tap the green Cash App icon on your device and ensure you are signed in to your primary account. Then, at the bottom of your screen, tap the card icon, which is shaped like a little credit card, and you will see your cash card details. Third step is activate your virtual card. If you haven't activated your card yet, tap Get Fresh Cash Card, then choose a card style and enter your mailing info, which is optional, and then follow the prompts. Next, once it's set up, a virtual version becomes instantly available. 4. View the virtual card details. For that, tap Add to Apple Pay or Add to Google Pay for mobile payments, or tap the Show Card Detail to view your card number, your expiry date, and CVV security code. 5th, use a virtual card online. Use the card number and CVV when making purchases online, just like a regular debit card. And here are some tips before you go. You can use the virtual card even before the physical card arrives. Protect your card details, don't share them in public or untrusted sites. And you can lock your card from the app if you suspect any fraud. And there you go, your digital card is ready to spend. Like, comment with your questions, and subscribe for more Cash Apps, how-tos, and see you in my next video.